we need to be creating this, because sooner or later, you guys, we're gonna have to do it. We have to do it. I mean, it can't be like, oh, what I'm saying. So yeah, and then here are all my trading sessions. My third one's, oh wait, here, let's go. So 23rd, right? Let's go to that. I go to my videos. I need to add that because I already posted that one. That one's actually premiering right now as we speak. Premiering right here. Let me go ahead and add that to my playlist of my trading sessions. We're building up our catalog there. Okay, so let's click on that. And here is today's trading session. Here's it's premiering. It's on right now, so people can see right here. So when you grab subscribers, they're gonna be a little red dot. It's gonna be a notification that you posted a new video.
Yeah, no, for sure, that's true.
And here, look. If you look at mine, look at CrypSmart. That's mine right there. You can see you're seeing my logo quite often. I'm premiering like 2 to 3 videos a day or around there, but minimum 1 or 2. But so yeah, and then you're gonna keep on. You're gonna gaining more subscribers. You're gonna be gaining more and more and more knowledge.
Yeah.
So why should we add this? Well, first off, it's for accountability. So not only are you increasing your catalog, but it's also going to make sure we have it on video that you're doing what you say you're going to do.
Right, exactly.
And that you're following your trading system. Because if you're not, this is all to make sure that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and there's going to be a point, guys. There's going to be a point, guys, where like we're not going to be nice to each other. You know what I'm saying? Like there's going to be, trust me, bro. I've been in this shit. I've done it with Christopher. I've done it where where I was at, where I work with people like this. And sooner or later, it's not the way that we're doing it is very friendly right now. But I'm just telling you guys, like this is not how you grow fast.
I get you, man. That's true. That's true.
It's not how you grow fast. Being friendly and stuff like that's not how you grow fast. So, which is fine. Look, we're just getting started, but like we are going to increase the intensity of this, as in like making sure. So I'm gonna help you guys by creating these tools, and we're gonna do all this shit to help us stick together and stick to our accountability, because it's gonna help us. But we're using all this to keep accountable, but also to increase our catalog. So it's helping us in a bunch of different ways. We're not only increasing our catalog, but we're using it as accountability, and we can always go back. Hey, are you trading your shit? Because sooner or later, guys, if we're the investors of the fund, and we see we're fucking up on our trades, we can go back to your videos and be like, why is this fool fucking up? You know what I'm saying? And we can go to your videos and see like, oh, this motherfucker's not even following his system.
Right.
So
for that.
Yeah. So and then we have our systems in here. So today we're gonna build them out. Like today we're gonna build out the investor profile and then your system. Today that'll get done today. So here's my trading strategy. There's 2 of them. So impulse correction with bull pendant break of character. Here, let me just show you guys right here. So here's so it's 2 of them. Here's the main one. This is the main one, but this is just broken down more than this. So I go over a previous XRP pattern on the 4-hour. So I look for a previous pattern. So I'll go right here. I'll go on the 4-hour. You can do this on Bitcoin as well, or just on anything, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, because remember, John, because like you're gonna be the pro in trading Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And I'm gonna need you to post more on your channel, more Bitcoin trades. Remember how we went over like 4 to 5 trades? But we're gonna have to be going more over that, because that's gonna be you, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna need you for that, bro. You know what I mean? We got Robert for the sports betting. And I want you talking more about your trades, your Bitcoin trades. Excited about those, because that's unless you want to change, like I'm never gonna push you on that, bro. But you've already invested a lot of time on Bitcoin. You invested a lot of time. yeah,
No, y'all stick to Bitcoin.
yeah, you
Yeah.
know, like, yeah, bro, you know, that's you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like that's your shit right there. So, and it's a good thing to do too, because like ultimately my goal will be for you to exceed Jason Capital. You know what I'm saying? Where you're
Yeah.
making your own videos, you're going live and forget about him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's
No, of
ultimately my
course,
goal.
man. Like
Because
venture. Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Because look, bro, all the best traders, bro, they don't follow no one else, bro. I realize that they don't follow no one else, and that's what we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Like me, bro,
Yeah.
I don't even give a fuck about crypto face shit anymore. I only post it just to post it, get a little viral, get some people on my shit and or on the Discord, and then also kind of to give us some, hey, what is he doing? Because Bitcoin tends to rule the market anyways. So if he's shorting it and I'm longing it, shit, I need to kind of look at my analysis, see why he's longing it, you know?
Right. Exactly.
So that's why. But yeah, all the best of the best, bro. Like that they're on their own, and just Johnny, I believe in you big time, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, dude. Like you already know, you're good with Bitcoin, bro. Like you know what I'm saying. Like so, what I would do is use what you already know and just go on the markets, and we can go live together, bro. Like if you want, we can go live together on the trading sessions.
Okay.
And look, bro, I am doing the analysis and everything at 5 o'clock your
Okay.
time. When you wake up, but that's like it's gonna be hard for you guys to wake up at 5 o'clock consistently. You know what I'm saying?
I'm honestly down for it, bro.
Okay, so watch. Look at so I'll call you, bro. I'll call you at 5. We'll get you on, and
Okay.
then you're gonna be we'll record it, so it'll be both. I'll just put XRP trading session on mine, and you can just put Bitcoin trading session on yours on your
Cool. Cool.
video. It'll be
Yeah.
we're naming it the same thing, but we're using the same video.
Right.
And
Let's
we're
do
putting
it.
it on our channel. But yeah, so that way you'll trade Bitcoin live.
Okay.
I'll be on my XRP, but anyways, yeah. So we'll have
Yeah.
we'll
Yeah.
have that.
We'll have that.
Yeah, and okay, all right. So guys, going back to my strategy, right? So I go on the 4 hour, right? I go on the 4 hour, and then I go and I look at a previous pattern. So watch, guys. As you guys can see, you see we had a big dump, and then we had
Yeah.
this little consolidation.
Right.
Here it is, big dump consolidation. Looks exactly the same, doesn't it? Almost.
Yeah, it does.
Right here. And then what did you get after that? You got a big pump after.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There's that pump
Oh
right
yeah.
there.
It does. Looks exactly the same.
Right? And then we got this.
And a little dump.
And then this little dump right here is this dump right here.
Yeah.
This big dump right here is
It's
that one right there. And this leg up is this leg up. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm doing now is I'm seeing, okay, so then I got the 618 and I was all right. All right, I got this. And then I saw this little thing right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right, I saw that little thing right there, and I was like, okay. So we saw this. It retested beneath that. It retested to the 618. See that 67? I mean the 786. See that 786?
Yeah.
That's where it retested and then went and created a new leg up. So I'm going over here and I'm taking that too, and I'm seeing, okay, where's the 786? Right here. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you guys go, if we go right here, here was my trade. My trade was to short to the 786, and it happened. We're right here. It shorted to that trade I posted last night. I won that one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I saw that.
And yeah, so that's this leg right here. What you're seeing right here. This
nice.
is this right here, but right.
And right to the 786, huh?
Right to 786. So what happened after that? It went up, right?
Up. Yeah.
So now I'm using that theory on my new long that I posted today. So now I'm going in and okay, so now that I did that, all I'm doing. So if you look at my strategy, it says previous XRP pattern, go to where we're at in real time, look for a break of structure or change of character, same fucking shit. It's just changing its direction, right? It's changing. Right. If it's a bull leg, then wait for a retest of support and then go for the green candle. All right, so after the green candle. So, okay, and I went, just so you guys know, I went too early. I'm just telling you guys right now, I went too early. I should have, and I put it on my video, everything's on my video on there, but this is what I should have waited for. And I'm still in. I should have waited for a break of structure, right? Breaking this channel.
And retest.
retest right here. I get
Right.
one green candle. I have to wait for that green candle to go up on my 30-minute, not on the 4 hour, on my 30-minute. Right. So I wait. I wait for the break of structure. Okay. I wait for that break of structure. Where are we at now? 704. Damn. I wait for that break of structure. I look for the support where it's supposed to be, which is supposed to be right here. So
Right.
a green candle, retest with the red candle, one green candle above, and then I enter a buy right after that.
Okay, nice.
And then market cipher has to be aligning with all that as well at the same time.
Yeah, yeah.
So right here, market cipher must be aligning smaller timeframes to higher timeframes and showing buy signals or sell signals. Showing buy or sell signals at the same time with my market in order for me to enter. So I messed up on my strategy there because I didn't wait for a breakout. And the reason why I still went for it though, guys, is because I'm expecting an upward. I'm expecting it to no longer go beneath the 786.
76, right.
Because based off the previous pattern. And we all know that's a strong reversal. So that's why I put my stop loss beneath the 786. And I also put my support zones, the next support zones here. But it's still looking like we're going with the VWAPs. Anyways, okay. So that's my strategy.
That's about, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like everywhere okay.
Yeah, I think I spoke enough. I'm like, all right, I'll shut up already.
Cover the shit out of that one.
Yeah. So okay, guys. So okay, cool. So and I can even go into more detail too. Like, watch, bro. It's really cool. If you see here, you see this this candle up. It goes boom. After this, it goes up. Does that? It goes down.
Yeah.
That same structure happens every single time. Goes down, whoop, down. Right? Up.
That's where you capitalize, right, when you short it?
Wait, what did you say? Do I capitalize when I short it?
Is
So what I
that,
can do, I mean,
is
what
that
I
like
can
a-
do, basically,
Is that like
bro,
a trigger?
Yeah, like basically what I can do is I look at all the patterns and I can enter based off them.
because
So,
you're seeing the same pattern, so might as well capitalize on that pattern.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
Trigger.
so then the biggest thing is now is to capitalize on the patterns. But if they're going like this is a sell, but I risked half of it because we're still in the selling environment. So that's why the trade that I did, because remember I'm placing a buy in a selling environment. So I risked half of it, bro. So because I'm going against the trend, right? But the only reason why I'm confident is because it's beneath. I'm thinking that it's not going beneath the 786 anymore because just like how I did in the past over there. So that's why I did the buy. I would have never done this, guys. I would have not even traded if that wasn't the case over here, in the previous pattern. So that's the reason why I did go in on it, and I risked 0.5%, and I did see a break of structure. Like if you see here, there's if you see here, this downward movement, you see how it goes boom, 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 boom. This one, it's not doing it as fast. So I'm thinking that the structure, I'm thinking that now we're getting a break now. Now we're getting changing movement.
Changing movement, yeah.
Yeah, not only because we're on the 786, but look, too, you would see this continue to go down.
Continue to go down, right?
Yeah, it would be strong, but there's not enough volume right now. So, but anyways, okay, so yeah, so that's my strategy. Okay, so then let's go over here to I also posted this, that if this happens, then I gotta get out because it's going otherwise. However, I have learned to just stay in my trades. That's how I've been winning, guys, because my last two trades, my last trade, the one that won, it almost hit take stop loss. It was going over here, and then it actually went halfway, but I could have bitched out and I would have been like, because I used to do that.
I'm out. Right.
Yeah, I used to bitch out too early. So what I've learned, don't bitch out, and and also on the psychology of risk on page 257 on page 257, it talks about how this guy that was his issue, his trading issue was that like he would always get out, he would get too anxious, but he would get too anxious in his position, and he would get out. But what he was saying is true. The psychologist saying is like, bro, you need to embrace those feelings. So whenever you feel them, make sure that you feel them and they hit you hard, and you stick with your trade. That's what pros do. That's how, you know. So that's just something that we can take into notice to make sure to not get out of the trade, sticking it. Because look, I already did all my fucking analysis, right? If we already did our analysis, we make a trade, that means we're done. Why are we changing it? You know? So
exactly.
So yeah, that's one big thing, is just to stick in my trades. And there's another one too, guys, that almost hit my stop loss. I think it was actually this one. I don't know. There was one earlier a while ago that I posted that I was like almost clear that it was gonna hit my stop loss, and it didn't. And I ended up winning at this. So I woke up to fucking money. It was really cool. So anyways, yeah, thank you. It just goes to show, guys, that, you know, once we do our analysis and we're confident and we make the trade, just stick to it. You know,
stick to it.
But you can take, like, there's times where I do take off risk. You know, there is times I do take off risk. So I won't. But then there's times when you shouldn't. You know what I mean? Like, if on the times that you shouldn't is when you have so much confirmation that to make the trade. But right here, I probably should, only because we're going against the trend. So you know, so when you're going against the trend, then you could reduce some of the position sizings. You know, so you don't lose this as much, because that's what we can control, our losses. We can't really control our win rate, but we could, but easier to control our losses. All right. Anyways, so cool. The next moves that I'm expecting is the buy that I'm currently in right now. I'm expecting a breakup structure of here. This is also bull. This is also a bull. This is also like, it's a bullish thing right here. It's like a channel.
Yeah, it's a bullish channel. Yeah,
it's a bullish channel. So there's that's why I'm holding in this trade. That's why I'm holding in it. And also, we are very much due for a nice little pullback off this leg right here. And we're hitting the 786. So I got a lot of confirmation on why I'm staying in this buy. And just so you guys know, but because we're still in a downward movement, I am taking half of my position close here. I'm taking 75% of my profits right here. 75% I'm out, so I can keep them. I'm putting my stop loss to entry.
Right.
And the rest I may let run. But 75% of my profits, I did that yesterday. It fucking worked out amazing.
Nice.
Because I get to keep my money in there. So,
yeah, true that.
Anyways, yeah, that's me. All right, so who's next? Who wants to go next?
I can go next.
Okay, all right, yeah, cool. So let's see. So why don't you we'll create our systems and we'll create our systems and shit, our trading systems after. But yeah, you want to hear all there's 3 minutes left. Should we just end this one and make a new one?
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gonna end this, guys, and then we'll make a new one, and then you share your screen, and yeah.
Cool. Sounds good, brother.
All right, guys. We'll get back on.
All right.
All right.